Your car is acting up. It struggles to start, or it's showing weird problems nobody can explain. Today, I'm going to reveal one of the best-kept secrets used by professional mechanics, a method capable of completely resetting your car without ever stepping into a repair shop. This is exactly what technicians do when a vehicle shows mysterious faults that even diagnostic computers fail to detect. This trick is so powerful it can solve up to 80% of electrical problems in under 10 minutes. I've seen cars that wouldn't start for weeks suddenly come back to life using this technique. Locked computers, confused sensors, check engine lights appearing and disappearing for no reason. All of that can be fixed with this method. And the most shocking part? Many shops charge between $150 and $300 to do exactly what I'm about to teach you for free. So if your car has any electrical issue or you just want to prevent future failures, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn something only true automotive professionals know. Before we begin, remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Now, let's get started. Number 10. Cycle the key 3 times on and off, module reset. Get ready, because this trick looks silly, but it works better than many diagnostic computers. When your car starts acting strange, flickering lights, the air conditioning shutting off by itself, or that annoying check engine light, the solution is literally in your hands. Sit in the driver's seat, insert the key, and pay attention. Turn the key to on and count to 3. Then turn it back to off and count to 3 again. Repeat this cycle 3 times in a row. On, off, on, off, on, off. On the 4th turn, start the engine normally. What you just did was force the car's electronic modules to completely reboot. It's like pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete when a computer freezes. Each module clears temporary error codes and recalibrates its sensors automatically. Technicians use scanners worth over $1,000 to achieve the same effect, but you can do it for free with your car key. This trick works especially well on vehicles built after the year 2000. Number 9. Turn the key to on for 10 seconds so your sensors can relearn. After a deep reset, your car is like a newborn. No references, slightly confused, and starting from scratch. With the battery reconnected, insert the key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. You'll see the dashboard light up like a Christmas tree, and that's exactly what we want. During those 10 seconds, the car's computer runs internal self-diagnostics that you normally never see. It checks and reintroduces itself to critical sensors like the oxygen sensor, the mass airflow sensor, and many others. It's literally like all the sensors are meeting each other again after losing their memory. This step is essential because if these systems don't communicate correctly, the alternator ends up working harder than necessary. After those 10 seconds, your car knows what to expect from every component again and returns to a balanced operating state. Number 8. Press the accelerator fully for 10 seconds with the key in the on position. This step sounds like it came straight out of a Fast and Furious movie, but it has a very solid scientific explanation. With the key in the on position and the engine off, press the accelerator all the way down and hold it there for 10 seconds. At this point, you're probably wondering what on earth is happening. What you're actually doing is calibrating the throttle position sensor, one of the most important and misunderstood components in your car. By flooring the accelerator with the engine off, you're teaching the computer the real limits of your pedal. You're basically telling it this is 0% throttle when it's released, and this is 100% when it's fully pressed. And why does this matter for your battery? Because a poorly calibrated throttle makes the engine run inefficiently, constantly overcorrecting fuel and air while the computer tries to compensate. All that extra adjustment consumes energy. In fact, a miscalibrated throttle can force the alternator to work up to 15% harder, causing weaker charging and faster battery drain. This simple trick removes that inefficiency and brings the entire electrical system back into harmony. Number 7. Disconnect the battery and press the brake pedal for 20 seconds, a deep reset. Did you know your car has memory just like your phone? It stores information that over time can become corrupted and cause unexplainable failures. This is what mechanics call a deep reset, a procedure many shops charge around $80 for. First, turn the car completely off and disconnect the negative battery cable. Now comes the part that sounds strange, but it has solid scientific logic behind it. Press the brake and hold it for exactly 20 seconds. It may sound crazy, but it's pure electrical reasoning. When you press the brake with the battery disconnected, you drain all the residual electricity stored in the vehicle's capacitors and circuits. It's like performing a factory reset on your phone, but applied to your car. That leftover electricity keeps corrupted memory alive inside the computer, and by eliminating it completely, you force the system to boot from zero. When you reconnect the battery, the result is surprising. The car behaves like new, the battery works more efficiently, and many strange issues simply disappear. Number 6. Remove the main engine fuse for 5 minutes. Get ready, because this sounds insane, but it works like magic. Once a month, you can literally disconnect your car's brain for just 5 minutes. To do this, open the hood and locate the main engine fuse box. Find the largest fuse, usually labeled main or ECU. Before touching anything, make sure the engine is completely off and has been cool for at least 10 minutes. Then, carefully remove the fuse using the small puller that comes inside the fuse box. With this simple action, you're wiping the car computer's temporary memory. Accumulated errors, incorrect sensor readings, and faulty adjustments disappear completely. Wait exactly 5 minutes so the internal capacitors fully discharge. When you reinstall the fuse, the computer boots up with optimized factory settings. The results are immediate: smoother starts, better fuel efficiency, and less strain on the battery. It's literally like formatting a slow computer and bringing it back to life. Number 5. Hold the remote button while pressing the dashboard ignition button. This trick is so unknown it doesn't even appear in the owner's manual, yet specialized technicians use it all the time. Your key fob isn't just for locking and unlocking doors, it can also act as a powerful diagnostic tool. Sit in the driver's seat and make sure all doors are closed. Hold down the lock button on the remote while simultaneously pressing the dashboard ignition button. Don't start the engine, just press it until the dashboard lights turn on. Keep both buttons pressed for 10 seconds. You'll hear the lock cycle repeatedly and see the dashboard lights flashing. Don't panic, that's completely normal. What you're doing is forcing a synchronization between the security system and the main control module. This sync removes what mechanics call parasitic drains, which happen when these systems stop communicating correctly. By resetting that communication, your car's standby electrical consumption can drop by as much as 40%. Number 4. Turn the steering wheel lock to lock with the key in the on position. Now we're getting into something that sounds strange, but works almost like magic. Get comfortable, because this trick can make your car feel like it just rolled out of the dealership. With the key in the on position and the engine off, grab the steering wheel and turn it fully to the left until it can't move any further. Hold it there for 3 seconds. Then turn it completely to the right and hold another 3 seconds. Repeat this full cycle 5 times. What's actually happening is that you're forcing the power steering system to completely recalibrate. Many issues, steering vibrations, jerky braking, or even odd noises often come from steering sensors that were never properly reset. This procedure also activates the steering system and helps circulate fluid internally, cleaning and stabilizing the system. That's why professional technicians perform it after electrical repairs. They know steering is connected to multiple vehicle sensors. I've seen cases where this simple action eliminated steering wheel vibrations that had bothered drivers for years. It can even correct minor alignment sensations and that feeling that the car drifts to one side for no clear reason. Number 3. Press the accelerator and brake at the same time with the key in the on position and the engine off. Here comes a trick that sounds completely contradictory, but it can save you hundreds of dollars in new batteries. Yes, you're going to press the gas and the brake at the same time with the engine off, and now you'll understand why this is so beneficial for your battery. When you press the accelerator with the key in on, you activate the electric fuel pump. At the same time, pressing the brake turns on the rear brake lights. Doing both at once creates a diversified electrical load that forces multiple circuits in the car to work together. Most drivers repeatedly use the same electrical systems, while many components rarely get activated. When circuits sit unused for long periods, they can develop internal resistance. Here's the process. With the key in on and the engine off, gently press the accelerator and hold it. Then press the brake and keep both pedals down for 15 seconds. Release, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat 3 more times. This forces the battery to power multiple systems simultaneously, keeping it active and preventing sulfate buildup. It's literally like making your battery do electrical push-ups. Number 2. Leave the hood open for 30 minutes after disconnecting the battery. This is the step many amateur mechanics skip, and yet it's crucial for achieving a true reset. After disconnecting the battery, don't rush to reconnect it. Professionals understand that modern cars behave like smartphones. They store cache and temporary data that can linger inside the system. Leaving the hood open for 30 minutes allows every capacitor to fully discharge, ensuring no hidden errors or corrupted settings remain. The fresh air also helps cool the electronic modules, which promotes a cleaner and more stable restart. It's like letting an overheated computer cool down before powering it back on. This simple step guarantees that when you reconnect the battery, the entire system truly boots from zero. Number 1. Remove the key and wait 5 full minutes. This is the trick that separates beginner mechanics from true masters. When a car shows electrical problems that are hard to explain, professionals do exactly this. They close all the doors and wait precisely 5 full minutes. During that time, the vehicle's electronic modules enter a deep hibernation state. That's why respecting the timing is critical. Rushing ruins the effect. After the 5 minutes pass, return to the car, insert the key, and turn it to the on position 3 times without starting the engine. On the first turn, the basic systems wake up. On the second, the computer runs a full self-diagnostic. On the third, all modules synchronize perfectly with each other. This is a true hard reset, very similar to rebooting a frozen computer. The procedure clears temporary error codes, restores communication between modules, and allows the system to start fresh. Many shops charge around $200 to perform this reset, but now you know the exact method professionals use. Did it work for you? Then I want you to tell me something. After trying these tricks, how many problems in your car disappeared like magic? Write it in the comments and let me know if it actually worked, especially if your vehicle started behaving like new again. I want to see how many of you avoided an expensive trip to the shop. And if this video saved you money, remember there are many more professional secrets waiting for you on this channel. Subscribe if you don't want to stop learning about cars, and share this video with that friend who's always having car trouble. When you fix their problem in 5 minutes, they're going to think you're a genius. Thanks for watching all the way to the end.